This lesson will guide you through building a fully functional website for a school or college, step by step. You'll learn how to change the appearance of your website with themes, and how to configure your site's design using menus and theme customization. In less than 50 minutes, your site will look like this, with nice colourful images, a menu system, and a bunch of pages containing dummy content. Let's get started. Themes give you complete control over how the content of your website is arranged and displayed. Once activated, a theme takes control over things such as the font, the background colour, and how the various elements get displayed. Select Appearance, Themes from the left menu. Here you'll see the list of themes you have installed. You can have multiple themes installed, although only one can be active at any one time. There's 3 ways to add a theme to your site. You can search the WordPress theme directory, which lists thousands of free themes. You can browse the WordPress theme directory, or you can buy a premium theme from a third-party web developer and upload it manually. Run a search for a theme called Academica in the WordPress theme directory. Hit Install to transfer the theme files to your server. Activate the theme by clicking the Activate link. You should now see confirmation that the new theme has activated successfully. Visit the front end to view your site. We have a little more work to do to get the theme configured. Here you can see the individual customization options available with this theme. Expand and update the site title and tagline options, and view your results in real time on the right. Of course, you could also have done this from the Settings General menu. The Academica theme also comes with options to add links to social media sites in the header area. Expand the option for header social icons and add a link to Twitter, which you can get from the notes. To make your changes permanent, hit Save and Publish. We're now going to upload the below image to add a touch of colour and style to our web design. Right-click on the image in the notes with your mouse and select Save. Select Appearance Header to upload an image to the header. Now find and upload the image you downloaded in the previous step. The image is already perfectly cropped, so you can publish as is. Generally speaking, the part of your website that requires the most of your attention will be your content. In this exercise, however, we're going to just import some content that has been prepared in advance. When you run the importer, a number of posts and pages containing dummy text will be created for you automatically to save time. Select Tools Importer. Install the importer by clicking the link WordPress. Select the Install button. Activate the importer. Now download the import file from the notes by right-clicking on the link and selecting Save As. Now the importer is ready, browse and select the import file that you just downloaded. Check Import Attachments to include the images from the import and run the importer. Now go check out the front end of your site. You should see a nice header image as well as lots of new pages in the menu. You'll notice the home page lists a bunch of blog posts, which isn't what you generally see on a school or college website. The Welcome to Social University page would make a far more suitable homepage, and the news page would be a better place to list our blog posts. To make these changes, select Settings, Reading. Under the front page options, select a static page for your homepage. Choose Welcome to Social University for the front page, and choose News for the posts page. Hit Save Changes and revisit your front end to view the changes. By default, WordPress automatically displays all the pages of your website in the main menu. In this section, you will learn how to add, remove, and rearrange items in your menu. Select Appearance menu. By creating a menu and attaching it to your theme, you can override the default system behavior. Enter a name for your new menu in the menu name box, then click the Create Menu button. You can now add pages to your menu. Check the ones you want and select Add to Menu. Of course, you can also add categories which you can use to organize your posts, or a direct link to any file or web page on the internet. The WordPress menu editor allows you to create multi-level menus using a simple drag and drop interface. You can drag menu items up or down to change their order of appearance in the menu. You can drag them left or right in order to create a multi-level menu structure. By default, the title of each page becomes the text that appears in your menu item. Expand Welcome to Social University menu item and change the navigation label to read Home. The final step is to connect the menu to your theme. Teams can support multiple menus, and the Academica team supports two, one in the header and one in the footer. To choose a location, put a tick in the box for top menu and hit Save Changes. Now go back and test your website. The new menu should look like this. Thousands of free and premium themes exist for WordPress. By getting a developer to use an existing theme as the foundation of your project, you can dramatically cut down on the cost of building a new website. You may think that developing your own website with WordPress is easy, but in reality, there are a lot of ways an inexperienced developer can mess things up and do an amateur-looking job. That's why, if you have a budget, we highly recommend hiring a professional. Because WordPress is the leading website system, you'll never have to go far to get a great deal on a talented developer. Leading ready-made theme developers include Woo Themes, StudioPress, The Theme Foundry, Elegant Themes, Templatic, WP Zoom, and there's many more. You can buy a beautiful design for around $50 and use it as a starting point for your next project. Finally, before you start planning a new website, it's very important that you have a strategy in place for growing your business online. Members of the WP Applied community get access to premium lessons that teach you proven strategies for connecting with customers and making sales through your website. For just €16 a month, you'll also get support and expert advice from a personal tutor, along with a free website that you can practice on safely. Please check out our other free tutorials which step you through building a website for a photography studio, a restaurant, a blog, an e-commerce store, a local business site, and lots more. To summarize, in this lesson you built a WordPress website from scratch using a freely available theme. These skills will be very useful to anyone planning to build a new site or users tasked with updating an existing site. You learned how to import content from another website, which can come in very handy if you have a website built using a different system and wish to transfer it to WordPress. You configured your homepage and blog pages using the WordPress reading settings. And finally, you learned how to create and manage a navigation menu. That's the end of this free series on building and managing a WordPress website. And don't forget, you'll find step-by-step notes for this tutorial on wpapplied.com, where you can also ask me questions and find more free tutorials on how to build websites for photographers, restaurants, local small businesses, e-commerce sites, news blogs, and lots more. Until next time, I'm Brian Duffy, your WordPress tutor. Thanks for watching.